Welcome back to my YouTube channel all exam preparation. So friends, in this video I will be talking with a person and I will be talking with him by a call, by a app, and I don't know about him and I don't know about who will be join with me, like a girl, a boy. I don't know about now that situation. So now let's start. Now I'm going to start a screen recording because I will add it on this screen. So now I have started it yet. So now I'm going to connect a person, then we will be talking together in English, and I will tell you everything about this application in last way. And if I have already made two videos on this app, but if you haven't watched that videos, so watch this video till end and I will tell you about that application in last. So let's start. Now I have clicked a call, means free call practice. Now I have clicked on that. I think this app is not working properly because today I have talked almost 5 to 6 member. Now I have to click other app, then I would be talking with a person. So let's start. First of all, I have to click on open talk app, then I have to click start call. Now I have found a person. So let's start. Hello. Hello, how are you, brother? I'm fine. How are you? I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Thank you. So where are you from, Jahan? No, I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And what about you? Uttar Pradesh. I'm from Jharkhand. Okay. So how is your English journey going as you are practicing English daily basis? You are using this application. Okay. So it's been good. Like I'm not here for my English practice. Like I do come here. I'm for the English practice, but the main purpose of mine joining here is to make my English fluent because I have been taught English from my childhood only, and I do had a good English and a good pronunciation with accent, but what I don't have is a fluency. So I'm here just to make my English very fluent so that in future it will be very advantageous for me. Okay, so how long have you been using this application? Just I have downloaded it just before the 3 days. Okay, and from where did you found this application? Like from where? Like YouTube? My one friend, my one basketball friend, his English were not too good. Okay. Like as we have studied from the Bengali medium board, so he just told me that I am using this application. It's a very good application. So I told, okay, let's try. So after downloading, after trying, I find it very good. Okay. So did you take any subscription on this application or are you a free user? No. So don't you think that you should take membership as you are new here and you want to improve your English and you are free, I think. Are you a worker or a student? No, I'm a student. I'm currently a student, but after some months I will become a worker. Okay. So you are preparing for a job. I'm not preparing. I'm just studying in a hotel management course. I'm doing BSc and I'm in my last semester. I have also got a job. So my job will start from I think May, June. Okay. No, June. Yes, June. Okay, so every person will be speaking English there. That's why you are learning spoken English. Yes, actually, my job has been taken place in a receptionist. So, as a receptionist, you are the first one to have the conversation with the guest. Like the guest will first see you. So, if someone enters the hotel, so I'm the first one who is talking with. So, definitely, it's my first priority to make them feel very happy, make them feel very good. So that's why I believe that if I should not have a very proficiency in English, it will not be a very happy moment for them. Okay, so don't you practice with your friends as you told me that he can speak English, but he's not confidently. That's why he's using this application, and he told me about that. He told you about that application. So don't you practice with him? I told that he's from the West Bengal board, so he don't have a very good English. So that's why he has downloaded this application, and he recommended me to use this application. Okay. So is there any limit in a day, like you can talk only 30 minutes or 1 hour? No. There's no limit. Okay. I've been talking with the one for the 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay. So how many hours do you practice in a day? It depends. Like today, I practiced for the 2 hours, and I will do that more in the nights. And I think after talking with you, I will not talk with anyone for some time. After in the evening, I will talk. Okay, okay. But then I feel like I'm feeling an overload, like I need some time. So that's then at that time I used to this application. Okay, okay. So, how was the performance as you are using this application since for some days? Performance, I believe, yes, it's improving my English fluency and talking with all the random people. It also feels very nice. I also getting knowledge of more of the knowledge of the another culture also because I have been talking about lots of people from the Pakistan, lots of Muslim people, lots of Punjabi people. I'm gaining lots of knowledge also and having a very proficiency in English also. So yes, it is helping. I heard that a person was saying to me that you can talk with only India's people on this application as well, Pakistan and Nepali. We cannot talk other people like United Kingdom, then Israel and Iran. We cannot talk with them by this app. So was no. You can talk with them. Why cannot you? Okay, but I am using it since you can say for 6 to 7 days. So I haven't found any other countries people. I found only a Pakistan. No, I have found it. Okay, you found. I found UK, Bangladesh. Yes, yes. UK, I have found the person from the UK. Okay, you found. So do you want to ask anything? So, yes, yes. Yeah, so what do you do? What's your age? Okay, if I talk about me, I am a student nowadays. I'm pursuing my BA first year, and if I talk about my age, I am 18-year-old. Okay. Yes. Okay, 18 years old. And what so about you? BA in which like what subject? I have polity and English and history. Mm, okay. Nice. Yes. My age is 20, so I'm 22, and I'm currently in my third year, as I told. And very soon I will be joining in the hotel as a receptionist. Okay. So, what did you had in your lunch? In lunch, yes. I took chapati and curd and veggies. Okay. Did you face any problem when you started to learn English? Like whenever we started to learn English, then some people says very bad comment, and some people says you cannot do it. So did you face that? Okay, so by this, no, I have not faced any problem with this because I am learning English from my childhood only because I was in the school where there was one English teacher. She was very, very good at English and she was my favorite teacher and I was also the favorite student of hers. So she made me learn lots of English, lots of readings, lots of pronunciation, lots of accent also. She was very good at accent and pronunciation. So she used to make me read like each and every day. So from the childhood only, when I was in the fourth class, she was my teacher. She was my English teacher, and she used to make me learn up till my 10th. Okay. So yeah, for my English, I have not yet faced that problem. Okay. Because I'm practicing my English from the childhood only. I think you was a Hindi medium student. Sorry, English medium student. That's why you were English is I was good, quite English good. Student. Okay. Yeah. I thought that's why your English is quite good. I met with many people who were Hindi medium student. Now they are become fluent in it, but earlier they were not. Mm-hmm. Exactly. This application is a very good application for the ones who wants to learn English. Yes. Whom did like from where you find this application? Actually, I was using ChatGPT and I searched. I gave a prompt that how can I talk with people free of course. Then ChatGPT gave me lots of app, but I downloaded this one and as well as second one also. What was the second application using? Second application was name is ACE Fluency. I'm using that one. Do we need subscription? Yeah, there is a subscription option, but you cannot talk. You can talk with people free of cost. It works so like look like this. Subscription. What? Yeah, have you taken subscription here? No, no, I haven't taken. I'm using free of cost because I'm joining. How is it? Yeah, I have to go to in my coaching center and I practice there. That's why I think that I should not take admission on this application. If I would not go, same yeah. Goes to me also because what I believe is my English is good, quite good, but I need to make it fluent. So for making my English fluency, I don't need a subscription. If I randomly call for the free time at for the 1 hour for the 2 hours, yes. I believe that it would be very hard. It would be like enough for me so that I could have like fluency in English. So if I talk daily for 2 hours or 1 hour in this application, yeah, which is a free one, so yeah, it would help me a lot. Yeah, it has already helped me a lot. I am using it since 10 days something. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, very good. So, how long did you talk with someone? Like, how long? Means I could not understand properly. Are you talking with in a day duration or some? There is a limit. I was telling for a one person, like if you're talking with one person, so okay, okay. You are using this for the you're just using this application from the 7 days, right? Yes, yes. So, like how long? Like how long? Yeah, I understood that. I understood that. Sometimes we can talk only half hour. Sometimes we can talk only 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it doesn't provide us. Then we cannot talk with people after 10 minutes. There is a fixed duration. Is it? Yes. No, there is a duration. Yesterday I was using it. I talked with a person and I talked with him only 30 minutes. But then after that I talked with other one person. Then I have talked almost 10 minutes only. Then after 10 minutes it was saying me that your time has finished yet and now we will disconnect this call after 10 minutes. Okay. Yes. Haven't you faced this problem? Yeah. Haven't you faced this problem? Why is I don't know. I think no. Till now, I don't think. Maybe because I'm the new user. That's why. Okay. And we can talk only 5 to 3 member. After 5 to 3 member, it would not provide us a good facilities like network problem and voice problem. We have to face this problem after 3 to 4 member. We can talk easily only with 2 to 5 members something only. After that network would not quite good. Okay, friends, uh, as you see, I was talking with him, and I was talking by a app. That name is HelloTalk. If you didn't know about this application earlier, I think I haven't told you about this application earlier, but I would share you this application today, and you can download it free of cost. It is free on Play Store. Whenever you want, you can download this application free of cost, and as well as I will provide you a link where you can click easily, then you can download this application, and you should tell me about that application, it's beneficial or not, as I told you about that application, and this boy as well told you about this application like it's beneficial or not. He was means he is a new user, that's why he does not know about it properly, and I am a new user. I have been using it for only 10 days, and I was not be continue because I had busy. If I talk about day before yesterday, I was busy with my uh, friend's wedding, so that's why I could not use it. Almost I did not talk with people for 3 to 2 days, but before days I was using this application. So now I am finished. I'm going to finish this video. So first of all, I want to stop the screen recording this app. Then now I want to disconnect this call because the person who was talking with me, so he is busy now and he is talking with his family, you can say, and with someone else. There are lots of people behind him, so I can hear because I was hearing a background noise. So now I'm going to finish this video. If you liked this video, so don't forget like, share and subscribe.